Hi,
Hello guys. So today we are playing Adopt Me with my friend. If you wanna see the other POV, sir channel, I'm gonna show it.
Yes.
And today we will be making matching outfits. I will be Pencil. And yes,
Oh,
let's add some design to mine.
So
Now.
we're doing it now?
Yes. Do we make it smaller?
Why do I look like purple guy?
Oh, because you're Jax and then you'll remove everything.
Oh no, wrong. Oh my gosh. Wrong it
Oh my god. Oh my god, my hair. So beautiful. Say,
What's going on, bro? Oh yeah. Where's the food? Where's the colors? What is painted color? I think is this color again. Yes.
so pretty. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just using random hair.
Okay. Time to log in. Well, I'm not logging in,
Oh,
bro.
this cute.
uh,
I look like Shelly.
Dinosaurs are wrong.
Rar.
Wait. Mod.
Wait, this cute.
Okay, here's the trick that, bro.
No, it should be red.
No, yes, this one. I think it was the right one, bro. On the right one.
Hey, should I remove it? Oh, look.
Yay! Yes, his school, bro.
It says 3.
What? Choice.
I don't know what I'm searching, bro.
Wait.
It's cute.
I don't
Whoa.
drink red.
Pencil.
Pointy.
Oh,
Yay!
marker, fries.
Perfect, bro.
Object show fun.
May maagig yung pan.
Whoa, wait. Red. Show me, cause I think pencil colors is like yellow and red, right?
Yeah. You know what pencils look like, right?
Yeah. Wait, I want this one, but doesn't match. So.
Don't worry.
Why?
Bro, who is 20? Is this a recommended card?
Holy.
Wow, foreign trips, my favorite ship. If you want. No, he's not Oh,
Whoa, wait.
What's wrong with my Wi-Fi, bro? Never mind.
This is cute. Maybe they have like
What?
this. So beautiful.
Okay, let's pick a beautiful piece for my beautiful piece.
Oh my god, what? Oh, it's cute. Shit. Okay. I don't know.
Maybe I'll pick it. Could be. Could be.
Yo,
Is it
who is Pencil's best friend?
much?
Okay. Trying to find much, but whatever.
Oh yes! Epic face, bro. Now I wanna add bank. Add bank.
Amazing.
No,
Yo, so beautiful. My mouth! Look, my mouth.
Oh. Bro, that's X!
No, it's not.
Oh.
I like, it's just yellow and red. And, X is, X.
I recommend that.
X is always, just yellow and, I added some red so it's pencil.
I recommend putting on red hat in your
I can't find one. I was trying to find one earlier.
oh
Wait.
skins.
Okay, this red hat.
Wow, so kawaii.
Yo, look at this.
What's that?
Hat.
Oh,
Oh,
yay! Perfect.
how about this? I look so.
Wait, I mean it's what's it?
What do you think?
Like a French, like, I mean that it's like a French outfit. French.
It's okay. I love it.
Okay.
I know French. You want to hear one?
Yes.
Putin. Oh my god. Yes. I have a yellow hat. Now we can officially save. I'm free. Wow, the best friends. Look at our final fit, guys. What do you guys think?
I think I'm on TikTok.
I think I'm the skinny one.
Yes,
Wait.
that's true.
Let's find a pet. I like birds. Wait, let's go to the salon and go make a pet color ours, like ours. Teleport to me. What the heck?
Okay.
Oh my god. Wrong teleport.
Ayun na, wala yun. Oh. I think my recording is gone, bro.
Oh no. Or is it just
Oh
like
no!
I'm still recording though.
Oh.
Teleport to me, guys. I think her recording kind of ended, so kindly be a cut off. But this is the full video, so teleport to me. Come here. Now we just gotta walk.
I look so cool.
What pet is that? Oh.
Donkey.
Why is it pink?
Diabetes.
I don't want to use my Snowy, and I don't want to use Linlin. I'm going to use my other Linlin. I have two Linlins. Remember when I make like a new neon? This is her. A new neon, I guess.
Yeah, that's cool.
So, my Linlin's my favorite. Level 6. Actually, they changed that. Oh. Ella. Going to take Linlin. Now we go color. I want to like the beak will be like oranges. I want the wow.
Oh! It looks like
Oh my god, my Linlin looks evil.
just make her beautiful.
I'm trying to make her beautiful because she's my favorite pet. Now for yellow. Yellow. Wow. I think she's beautiful. I'm going to go back oranges. Wow.
Bro, where's red?
So beautiful.
Oh!
Come here,
I
baby.
don't have that enough money.
Come here, baby. Where's... So beautiful. Now you get some petals.
What's that?
Yeah, I don't know. Whatever, she doesn't need one. She's already beautiful. Are you done?
No.
Ah.
Having a trouble time here.
Oh my god.
Oh. Evil.
You look... that... You see me?
Well,
No.
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 She looks worse. But I don't mind.
Eh, mine's look cute eh.
Yeah, good.
I think she deserves a red hat. No, it's covering. This gold. I have this gold. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Why does it look like a stupid kid?
It's cute, I guess. Look at mine.
Okay.
Let's look at each other's.
Okay.
You can click on my pet and then you see it. And then I'm going to click on your pet. Whoa. It's really yellow. It's not really red. Mine has like a red.
The nose is only red.
Oh. I think it's beautiful still. Okay, I'm going to end the video here. Anyways, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and rate our outfits in the comment, I guess. Okay, bye.